Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check settings, confirm your iOS version, and back up now so you can revert if needed. Once done, connect to a stable Wi-Fi network and plug in your device if battery is under 50%. Make sure you have enough free storage. Delete large apps or offload photos if required. Then open Software Update and tap Download. You act now because the update sequence often requires a restart and uninterrupted connectivity. You let the system download and install the update, follow prompts and wait through the restart. Once your device boots, go straight to Settings, then Siri and Search to confirm Siri reflects the new iOS behavior. Make sure Listen for Hey Siri is toggled on and that the language and voice match your accent. This improves recognition. If you changed privacy permissions, reauthorize microphone access. Also verify Siri suggestions and app integrations are enabled for the features you use. You finish by testing Siri across common commands. Set timers, send messages, and ask for directions to confirm full functionality. If Siri is slow or not responding, toggle Siri off then on, reboot the device, and retrain Hey Siri if needed. Make sure microphone and network access are allowed. Poor internet or blocked mic causes failures. If problems persist, restore from your backup or contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics. That single troubleshooting tip, toggle and reboot, fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.